Have you ever wished you could build an online business that runs itself even while you sleep? What if I told you that one simple landing page, built with free tools and zero coding, could do just that? I'm talking about something that captures leads, sends emails, stores data, delivers products, and even sends you notifications. All automatically. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build one for yourself. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Profit Hacks channel, your shortcut to building smarter digital income streams using AI, automation, and zero fluff. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next shortcut, and let's jump straight into the good stuff. Alright, let's talk about landing pages. Not just any landing page. I'm talking about action-triggering landing pages, the kind that turns visitors into leads and leads into income. And no, you don't need to know how to code. You don't even need to pay for expensive tools like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. We're using free tools like Notion, Typeform, Make.com, and Gmail to make this work. Let me break it down. Step 1. You need a clean landing page that invites people to take action, not just a pretty page, an intentional one. Your landing page should have one clear goal: get the visitor to do one thing. That might be downloading your ebook, signing up for your free workshop, grabbing a template, or joining your waitlist. Think of it as your digital handshake. It's the first interaction between your business and a potential customer, and first impressions matter. Now here's the good news. You don't need to hire a designer or spend hours learning WordPress. You can build a high-converting landing page using Notion, Card, or even a smart Typeform. All three are beginner-friendly, lightning fast, and, yes, completely free to start. Here's an example. Let's say you're offering a free digital guide called 10 Side Hustles You Can Start This Weekend. Your landing page could look something like this. A bold, benefit-driven headline: start earning extra income in 48 hours or less. A one-sentence subheadline that builds curiosity. This free guide shows you 10 real side hustles that require no startup money. And a single call to action button. Send me the free guide. No clutter, no menu, no distractions, just focus. Now, when someone clicks that button, they're taken to a Typeform or a Google form, where you ask for their first name and email address. That's your lead capture moment. But don't make the form too long. 2 fields, maybe 3. That's it. Because the more friction you create, the fewer leads you'll get. Here's a quick tip. If you're using Typeform, set up logic jumps that feel like a conversation. Instead of saying, submit your email, say, where should I send your guide? Small tweak. Big difference in conversion rates. This part right here, getting someone to enter their info, is the start of your automation engine. You're no longer just collecting contacts manually. You're building a list, a real asset. And this is where the real magic begins. Because the moment they hit submit, that's when the automation kicks in. Step 2. Trigger the automation. Once someone fills out your form, that's your moment. And this is where Make.com steps in and takes over. Behind the scenes, it grabs that user input, name, email, anything you've collected, and does the heavy lifting for you. Here's the typical flow. First, it stores the lead in a Google Sheet, so you always have a backup list. Then it sends an automated welcome email with your digital product or freebie. Next, it pings you on email, Telegram, or even Slack, just to say, hey, you got a new lead. And if you want to get fancy, it can also tag that contact in your CRM, trigger a follow-up message in 3 days, or notify you if someone opens the email but doesn't click the link. All of this happens in seconds. No code, no plugins, no waiting around. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but why does that matter? Because automation is what separates busy freelancers from scalable entrepreneurs. You don't want to be stuck in your inbox all day manually replying, sending files, or tracking who downloaded what. You want to build once and let the system work around the clock. So let's imagine a scenario. Let's say you're a graphic designer building an audience of small business owners. You offer a freebie called 5 Canva templates to make your brand look pro. Someone clicks your landing page, fills out the form, and boom, make.com is triggered. Here's what happens. Their name and email go straight into your lead tracker Google Sheet. They get a personalized email with the download link. You get a notification so you know your list is growing. 3 days later, they receive a second email offering your full template pack for $19. That's a system. You're not chasing leads, you're not glued to DMS, you're focused on building, creating, and growing, while your automation handles the rest. And you can do this with any niche. Are you a virtual assistant? Offer a free checklist for overwhelmed entrepreneurs. Are you into fitness? Share a starter workout plan. Are you a language coach? Give away a top 20 phrases to learn before traveling guide. All of them can trigger the exact same automation flow. And once you see it working, once you get that first notification saying new lead captured, it clicks. You realize this isn't just a form, it's your conversion engine. And it runs, even when you're offline. All right, let's walk through how to build that exact flow step by step so you can launch yours today. Step 1. Create your Typeform with name plus email. Step 2. Inside make.com, connect Typeform to Google Sheets to store the lead, Gmail to send the digital product, Notion or Trello to track your leads or tasks, Telegram or Slack to get notified instantly. It's literally drag, drop, and connect. Want to add flair? Include a conditional filter. If someone answers yes to, "Do you want more resources?" send them a second email 3 days later with an upsell or affiliate link. That's how you start making money while building trust. Now let's talk delivery. You don't want to attach the ebook in every email manually. Instead, upload it to Google Drive or Dropbox and paste that link into your email template. In Gmail, write a simple message like, "Hey, first name, thanks for grabbing the guide. Here's your download link." Your link talks soon, your name. Make.com fills in the first name automatically. The whole thing feels personal, but it's 100% automated. Now imagine this. Someone finds your video on YouTube, they visit your landing page, they type in their name, they get your guide, and 2 days later, you offer them a special affiliate tool you use. They click, they buy, you earn. That's real digital profit. You might be thinking, can I really do this with zero budget? Absolutely. All the tools we've mentioned have free plans that are more than enough for beginners. Typeform or Google Forms, Make.com, free tier equals 1,000 operations per month. Gmail works great for low volume sending. Google Sheets, your free database. Telegram for notifications. Notion, optional CRM. If you want to level up later, you can connect this to email platforms like MailerLite or ConvertKit, but that's step 2. Step 1 is building the engine. And trust me, it's way easier than building a full website or a paid funnel. So here's your challenge. Tonight, create a simple landing page offering something you would find valuable. A checklist, a cheat sheet, a free template. Then, build the make.com flow to deliver it automatically. Just one automation, just one page. That's all it takes to get started. You don't need to go viral. You need one person to sign up, one person to reply, one person to buy. Then repeat. You'll learn more in those first 10 signups than you ever could from just watching videos. And if you want help with that, I've got a guide with step-by-step flows, examples, and templates. It's linked in the pinned comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell if you want more real, actionable ways to grow a digital business that works with you, not against you. Let me know in the comments. What are you going to automate first? Thanks for being here. Let's build smarter. Let's grow faster. Let's make profit digital.